Hi, Jessica from the eRank team here. Today we're going to be talking about holidays when it isn't a specific day every single year and may differ between countries, and how you can use some eRank tools to best figure out when to start marketing, how to start marketing, and who to start marketing to. So first, I'm going to show you eRank's calendar tool. There are a couple different ways that you can get to the calendar tool. I'm going to show you how to get there using your navigation bar on the left-hand side of your screen. So if you click the Tools drop-down menu, the calendar is the third option below, and it's going to default to the current month that it is right now, which for me right now is February 2025. Something really neat about this tool is on the right-hand side, which is right below me, you'll be able to see what the top keywords were for this month for last year. So you can see for the month of February 2024, it is jewelry, Valentine gift, wall art, decor, blah, 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 blah. So on this calendar tool, you can see we have a lot of different holidays here. If you hover over one, so let's hover over Valentine's Day. So you'll see it pops up here. If we do Galentine's Day, you can see lots of different holidays we have here. And now some holidays, if they're specific to a country, it will have a country code or the name of the country next to it. So for example, this holiday is in New Zealand, so it says NZ. This holiday is in India, so it says IN. And this holiday is in France. So this is a really neat way for you to get a broad view of what holidays are coming when. So let's say you want to go ahead a few months to try to start planning some marketing. So let's go to, let's pick Mother's Day. So Mother's Day in the UK and Ireland is at the end of March. So it's going to be March 30th. Let's see if we can find when Mother's Day in the US will be. So it's going to be Canada, US, Australia, New Zealand, and Italy over May 11th. So as you can see, the UK and the US have 2 months between their Mother's Days. But Mother's Day is historically a really big holiday for people to be shopping on Etsy. So if you're trying to market to the UK, you would want to have your items up now. If you wanted to market only to the US or Canada or one of these other countries, you do have a little more wiggle room. This is a great tool to be able to plan out very far in advance and to know when you should be listing items and for which countries you should be targeting. Another really cool tool you can use is our Compare Keywords tool. So we're going to go into Keyword Research on the left-hand navigation bar and click Compare Keywords. This is a really cool tool to use if there are regional differences between certain words. So we're going to focus on Mother's Day. However, in the US and the UK, they tend to use different terms for mom. So let's see, we have mom, and then we'll do mum, M-U-M, mommy, and mother. So what this tool is going to do is it's going to pull the keyword statistics for each of these words. So I'm going to click compare, and you can put in full keywords like Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day, I love you, Mom, whatever you need to put in here. We're just keeping it simple for the purposes of this demo. So if I scroll down here, I can see a trend graph for each word, and I can see the keyword statistics. So right now it's set to the USA. So it looks like mom is the most popularly used keyword among shoppers with about 7,500 searches average per month. However, if I look for last Mother's Day, so we have March, April, May. So May of last year, there were over 15,000 searches for just the keyword mom. So this would definitely be a good word, good term to get into your listings if you're marketing towards the US. Mom shows almost no search data within the US. But if I switch the country to the UK, let's see what happens. So it's going to reload, and lo and behold, mum is now the most popular term for a mother. So there's a lot of different countries you can pick from here in our drop-down menu. So you can kind of pick and choose which countries you think that you want to market to and for which types of holidays. You might find that for some holidays, Some countries don't really have a lot of search data because they aren't as widely celebrated or people aren't really buying a lot of gifts. When you do pick which country you would want to market to, be sure that you try to incorporate some thematic colors or small graphics within your listing photos or your thumbnails to try to catch attention of buyers. You can always go in and you can swap out terms and keywords. Maybe you're going to market one item, a digital item, say, for UK for Mother's Day. And you have this listing and it says mum in it. And you market that heavily for Mother's Day for the UK. Well, there's 2 months between the UK's Mother's Day and the US's Mother's Day. So maybe after Mother's Day in the UK, you switch out those keywords so that it says mom instead. This is only an option. You don't have to do this. You definitely could have both listings up at once and see which one performs better for you. I hope that this was helpful, and we at eRank look forward to helping you grow on your Etsy journey.